Hi, everyone. This is Hannah with ProSymmetry, and today we're going to be talking about subscriptions for the administrators of Tempus and how to configure that within Tempus. So the first thing you'll want to do is go into admin settings and go to general settings. And then from here, you'll want to go into miscellaneous. Within miscellaneous, we have a subscriptions area, and this will allow the administrator to denote whether or not they want in-app or Teams notifications to be available for their end users. If you have in-app, that means that the users who are subscribed to different areas of Tempus will only be notified within Tempus. So they will see a little red icon here within this bell icon when there's a notification for them for something that they're subscribed to. If they are subscribed to Teams here, then the end users can install the Teams application within Microsoft Teams, and then they'll be notified within Teams for different changes made in Tempus. This also will dictate whether or not what the user will see within their subscriptions area here, which we'll get to in a minute. And then the next option they have here is how long they want to keep the notifications for. So by default, it's 15 days, but they can change that to a different amount of time if they want. So when a user goes into the subscriptions area, depending on what is set in the general settings, they will either see the in-app notifications area or the Teams notification area. If only the in-app one is set, they'll only see this one and not the Teams, and vice versa. Within here, then the end users can decide whether or not they want to subscribe to different projects, if they want to subscribe to whether projects are created, or if they're mentioned in Scribe, whether or not they want to be notified. Additionally, they can look at their timesheet information and see what they want to be subscribed to for timesheets and resource requests information. For timesheets, end users who are timesheet users can subscribe to when their timesheet is approved, rejected, or if it's not submitted. And then also timesheet managers can be subscribed to if the timesheets are submitted, retracted, or not submitted as well. And to unsubscribe in bulk, they can click this icon here. For resource requests, the resource request submitter can subscribe to approved, delegated, partially approved, rejected, submitted, replaced, or partially replaced statuses. And then the resource request manager can subscribe to if there was a submitted request or a delegated request. Then the end user can go to the Teams notifications and they can choose to copy the subscriptions from an app. They will have to be connected to Teams, to the Teams app to see notifications within Microsoft Teams, and which we have another video on that you can watch. And then from here, it'd be the same type of process where they can go through if they want to be subscribed to different projects, their timesheet information, or resource request information. Additionally, for administrators, they can go back into admin settings and go to the timesheet configuration. Within here, we have different permissions for subscriptions for timesheet, the timesheet side of it. So if I scroll down to the reminders here, so they can choose how long they want the reminder days and notification to happen. So this means that the timesheet user will receive a notification if their timesheet is not submitted 2 days after the period closes, for example, and they can go all the way down to 60 days here. So they can choose the time period they would like for the timesheet users to be notified. Additionally, they can do it 10 days before the period closes as well for a reminder to go out. And that is all there is on the administrator side of things for the subscriptions. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, reach out to support@prosymmetry.com or your customer success manager. Thank you and have a great day.